If you just look at the areas tomorrow that have those slight or even enhanced risks of severe weather from the Storm Prediction Center's outlook, you would think we're not in any sort of trouble, but it is an area that we are just outside of the edge of. Those risks, especially on Friday, will be higher later in the day as another cluster of storms will develop on the edge of what will be very warm and humid weather at that point. It's here in Iowa where we are not in a slight risk, but that doesn't mean that those stronger storms can't occur. We'll start at midnight tonight, where there are a couple of areas to watch. First is in the eastern Dakotas and western Minnesota, an area of storms developing out that way. Second off towards Siouxland and Sioux Falls, Sioux City type of area. These will be sliding to the southeast and developing, and we'll see that potential for some initial activity by about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. You see this here in our northwest zone. We're even encroaching on some of our western counties in general, and then that tends to move a little bit to the east and affect some of us closer to daybreak. But it's this line potentially dropping out of southern Minnesota that has the chance to produce some of those stronger or severe weather outcomes. As it moves to the south, it will lose some of its punch and by late morning tend to dissipate or move out of the area, leaving behind a sunny afternoon. Now, that severe weather threat for tomorrow would be in the form of large hail or damaging wind. Heavy rain also possibly, but these should be moving fast enough that we're not going to see a flash flood threat develop, but certainly want to stay weather aware during the morning. Check back with us on the TV9 Morning News. We'll have all the latest as we see it as of those hours.